Well, the awards are important because they celebrate the success of so many people across the NHS in Wales. They celebrate innovation. They celebrate that pool of new ideas. They draw on that vast pool of talent that we know we've got in NHS in Wales. We bring that to the surface and we celebrate the success of it.
Awards like this are very important to show the good and positive work that's going on within trusts and within health boards to make sure that the positive messages of healthcare also get out, especially in this current climate.
Absolutely amazing, can't believe it. And to have won 2 awards today is just outstanding.
Give it a go. At the end of the day, even if you don't win, the expertise and experience that's been presented across the board today gives everyone some food for thought and something to learn and something to take away from it. So whether you win or not, it's a worthy experience and something that should add value to everyone's day job. Best
Practice is a poor traveller. We find it difficult to spread these ideas from one part of the NHS to another. Now, the event today is really important for that because everybody in the hall will be hearing all the things that have been happening right across Wales.
Oh, it's an absolute privilege to win this award. For me, it's about recognition of the team. Without them, we wouldn't be here. They've been absolutely amazing.
I think actually we need to make people be a little less modest about issues. And I would say that as I look across Wales, there's such fantastic work going on that people really need to, I don't know, pause, find the time, ask for help, but actually just get the submissions in. And if we could just shout about all of these awards during the next number of months about NHS Wales, I'm sure people will appreciate what a great service is being offered.
I just think keep up the good work. I think that they've been innovative, they've been trailblazers in Wales.
The buzz that you get from a day like today is absolutely amazing. You've probably seen the tears, you've heard the laughter as well. It's just something that's infectious, and all the hours of hard work that people put into these schemes just pay dividends on a day like today.
People across Wales who are working in the NHS, delivering great care and great services on a day-to-day basis. Encourage them to put pen to paper and next year submit their schemes for an award as well.
I think people beaver away, we don't look over our shoulder. I think we can learn from each other as well, and an event such as this makes that possible.
Thank you very much. Absolutely delighted. They've done a fantastic job. Fantastic.